roasted cashews, but with candied bacon. Let's call it Christmas trail mix. 1/4 cup of honey. It said 2 teaspoons of olive oil, but all I have is avocado oil, so that'll do, donkey. 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. The cost of spices is out of control. That was probably like $1. 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Why is it spicy? Because there's cayenne pepper in it. 2 cups of raw cashews. But wait, there's more. 2 teaspoons of fresh, none of this, okay, fresh chopped rosemary. I don't know if this is 2 teaspoons or not, but it feels right. So that's what we're going with. It's called measuring with your heart. Fold it in, David, just fold it in. I don't know why I went British on that. Beautiful. And now you spread it out on a parchment-lined pan. I'm guessing there's a more graceful way to do this, but we're gonna bake on 350 for 13 to 18 minutes. And the recipe was very specific in all capital letters. It said, do not walk away because every 5 minutes you have to toss it. And it was like, they'll burn. So, but we're not done. Now we gotta do the bacon. I'm using Wright's baking because if it ain't right, it ain't right. So I'm gonna cut it beforehand. 30 is bending over a baking sheet of bacon and being like, the back hurts. You should use cracked pepper, but our cracked pepper thing broke, so. The rest of the cooked. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Now we're gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on there. I'm using dark brown. I don't think it really matters. If you have light brown, use that. Look, in cooking, like there's rules, but there's no rules. Follow recipe, but like, you can change it a little. All right, these babies look done to me. Now bump the oven to 375 and put your bacon in. Then the salt bay it on these cashews. Perfectomissima. You're going to transfer them to a bowl. We're all in this together. They're wanting to stick together, so I'm just gonna. Alexa, can dogs eat cashews? Alexa didn't tell me anything. I'm moving them to a little bit bigger bowl. Ooh, I should have let them cool separately longer, and then I think they wouldn't have stuck together like this. But here we are. Bacon is done. We're just gonna let it firm up a little bit before we put it in with the cashews. I got a plate full of bacon bites. Honestly, I think I want them cut up just a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna do that. Next up, taste this time, moment of truth.
I go bacon, yeah.
You gotta do both at the same time. That's the point.
I'm sorry.
Is it good?
Mm.
Yes, it's good.